हाय एवरीवन छयटी इंडियन ज्योग्राफी एमसीक्यू माध्यम क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया रो क्वेश्चन गुड को डिस्कशन करबा। प्रथम सेक्शन ले क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया रो 20 क्वेश्चन रहइबो एमति करी सेक्शन वाइज क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन रे रहिछि ताटु जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड कर परबे। तो क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया क्वेश्चन 1 लो क्वेश्चन 20 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया इज मेनली क्लासिफाइड एज the right answer is option or B. Question number 2. Which of the following control the climate of India the most? The right answer is option number C. Question number 3. The Indian Meteorological Department was established in which year? The right answer is option number A. Question number 4. Which of the following is called the mango shower in India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 5. Which state received the highest annual rainfall in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 6. What caused rainfall in Tamil Nadu during October-November? The right answer is option number B. Question number 7. Which of the following region is called the rain shadow region in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 8. Which part of India received rainfall from western disturbance? The right answer is option number A. Question number 9. Which of the following month is the hottest in northern India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 10. What is the average annual rainfall of India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 11. Which Indian station record the highest average annual rainfall in India world? The right answer is option number B. Question number 20. Question number 12. Which wind is responsible for the onset of southwest monsoon in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 13. Which Indian season is locally known as low? The right answer is option number B. Question number 14. El Nino has an adverse effect on which Indian climate phenomena? The right answer is option number B. Question number 15. Which region of India has the highest diurnal range of temperature. The right answer is option number A. Question number 16. Which factor influence the retreat of monsoon in India? Right answer is option number D. Question number 17. In which state is the Kala Boisakhi phenomena observed? The right answer is option number B. Question number 18. Which of the following winds are locally called Andhi? The right answer is option number A. Question number 19. Western disturbance originates in which region? The right answer is option number A. Question number 20. The returning monsoon caused cyclone mostly in. The right answer is option number B. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଇ ଟପିକ ରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 21 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 30 ଯୋଉଟା କି କ୍ଲାଇମେଟିକ ଡାଇଭରସିଟି ଇନ ଦ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ସବ କଣ୍ଟିନେଣ୍ଟ ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ରହିବ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 21. Which factor is mainly responsible for the diversity of climate in the Indian subcontinent? The right answer is option number A. Question number 22. Which of the following region experience tropical desert climate? The right answer is option number A. Question number 23. Which region of India has a tropical wet evergreen climate? The right answer is option number A. Question number 24. Which type of climate is found in Ladakh and Gilgit-Baltistan? The right answer is option number B. Question number 25. Which India state experience both tropical monsoon climate and temperate climate due to altitude variation? The right answer is option number B. Question number 26. The Malabar coast of India is characterized by which climatic condition? The right answer is option number B. Question number 27. Which climatic type dominates most of the Deccan Plateau? The right answer is option number A. Question number 28. Which of the following region has a Mediterranean type of climate? The right answer is option number B. Question number 29. Which region of India receive winter rainfall from western disturbance, giving it Mediterranean-like climatic feature? The right answer is option number A. Question number 30. Which region show the influence of both tropical monsoon and temperate climate, making it highlight reserve? The right answer is option number A. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଆମେ क्वेश्चन 31 ରୁ क्वेश्चन 40 local storm in India ଦେଖିବା। Question number 31. Which local storm is known as Kala Boishakhi? The right answer is option number A. Question number 32. The term mango shower refers to. The right answer is option number B. Question number 33. Which of the following state experience nor'westers? Nor'westers. The right answer is option number B. Question number 34. Andhi. Andhi is a local storm associated with. The right answer is option number A. Question number 35. In which state is the low experienced during summer? The right answer is option number B. Rajasthan. Question number 36. Which local storm is common in Assam during the pre-monsoon season? The right answer is option number A. Question number 37. Which local storm is known for bringing sand and dust stream in the Thor desert region? The right answer is option number D. Question number 38. Which local storm provide rainfall beneficial for tea and jute cultivation in West Bengal and Assam? The right answer is option number B. Question number 39. Bodasil, a local storm in Assam, is associated with which month? The right answer is option number A. Question number 40. Which of the following local storm is called nor'wester in English? The right answer is option number A. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ क्वेश्चन 41 लो क्वेश्चन 50 ମଧ୍ୟରେ seasons in India गुड़िको देखिबा। Question number 41. Which of the following is the coldest month in most part of India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 42. The returning monsoon in India is associated with which season? The right answer is option number C. Question number 43. In which month does the hot weather season generally occur in India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 44. The mango shower are associated with which season? The right answer is option number B. Question number 45. Which part of India receive rainfall during the returning monsoon in season? The right answer is for option number C. Question number 46. Which season in India is characterized by cyclonic depression over the Bay of Bengal? The right answer is option number D. Question number 47. The burst of monsoon generally occur in India in which month? The right answer is option number B. Question number 48. Which wind system dominate during the hot weather season in India? The right answer is option number D. Question number 49. Low winds are experienced during which season in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 50. Which part of India record the highest rainfall during the monsoon season? The right answer is option number A. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଆମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 51 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 70 କ୍ଲାଇମେଟିକ୍ ରିଜନ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଦେଖିବା। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 51. Who divided India into climatic region based on temperature and rainfall? The right answer is option number B. Question number 52. According to Köppen classification, most of India fall under which climatic type? The right answer is option number A. Question number 53. Which climatic region of India receive the highest annual rainfall? The right answer is option number B. Question number 54. Which region of India has arid and semi-arid climatic condition? The right answer is option number B. Question number 55. The climatic of coastal area of India is best described as? The right answer is option number B. Question number 56. Which part of India has tropical desert climate? The right answer is option number B. Question number 57. The Western Himalaya belong to which climatic type? The right answer is option number C. Question number 58. Which region of India is characterized by equal climate throughout the year? The right answer is option number B. Question number 59. Which region of India show extreme conditional climate with hot summers and cold winters? The right answer is option number C. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a climatic region of India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 61. Tamil Nadu coast mainly receive rainfall during which season? The right answer is option number B. Question number 62. Which region is known for having rain shadow climate in India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 63. The hot desert climate of India is found in. The right answer is option or B. Question number 64. The tropical wet climate in India is mainly found in. The right answer is option or B. Question number 65. In which climatic region of India is black soil most worse? The right answer is option number C. Question number 66. Which India region is called the humid subtropical climate zone? The right answer is option number A. Question number 67. Which climatic type dominate in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh region? The right answer is option number B. Question number 68. Which part of India experience Mediterranean type of climate? The right answer is option number B. Question number 69. Which of the following is the wettest climatic region of India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 70. Which climatic region of India show maximum variation in temperature between summer and winter? The right answer is option number D. Question 71 lo 80. Question 71. Which classification system is known as modification of Köppen's climatic classification? The right answer is option or B. Question number 72. In Trewart's classification, which climatic region is denoted by A? The right answer is option number A. Question number 73. Which letter is used by Trewarth for dry climate? The right answer is option number A. Question number 74. Trewart's classification system gives more importance to which factor than Köppen system? The right answer is option number C. Question number 75. According to Trewarth, India mainly belong to which climatic type? The right answer is option number C. Question number 76. In Trewarth classification, the letter H is used for which type of climate? The right answer is option number A. Question number 77. Which of the following region of India is classified under BWH in Trewarth system? The right answer is option number A. Question number 78. Which is a major difference between Köppen and Trewarth classification? The right answer is option number A. Question number 79. According to Trevath classification, the Himalayan region mainly falls under which climatic type? The right answer is option number C. Question number 8. Trevath climate classification is considered more useful than Köppens for which region? The right answer is option number D. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 81 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 100 ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ରହିବ। Question number 81. Which is the most abundant type of forest in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 82. Which state has the largest forest cover in India by area? The right answer is option number B. Question number 83. Mangrove forests are mainly found in which region of India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 84. Which forest type is also called monsoon forest? The right answer is option number B. Question number 85. Which is the most important mangrove species in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 86. Which forest type is common in the Western Ghat? The right answer is option number A. Question number 87. Which of the following is not a natural vegetation type of India? The right answer is option number D. Question number 88. Which type of forest is found in high altitude of Himalaya? The right answer is option number B. Question number 89. The Gir forest of Gujarat is famous for which animal? The right answer is option number B. Question number 90. Which forest type occupies the largest area in India? The right answer is option number B. Question number 91. Which state has the highest percentage of forest cover in India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 92. Which is the dominant tree species of the moist deciduous forest of India? The right answer is option or B. Question number 93. Which type of forest are known as littoral and swamp forest? The right answer is option number A. Question number 94. Which of the following forests are commonly most exploited in India? The right answer is option or B. Question number 95. The Khasi and Jontia Hill are known for which type of forest? The right answer is option number A. Question number 96. Which tree is known as the sandalwood of the Deccan? The right answer is option number B. Question number 97. Which is the main reason for the distribution of thorn forest in India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 98. Which forest type support the famous Nilgiri Hill? The right answer is option number B. Question number 99. Which forest conservation program was launched in India in 1973? The right answer is option number B. Question number 100. Which forest type is most suitable for the cultivation of tea and coffee in India? The right answer is option number B. तो ये थिला ज्योग्राफी रो क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया रो 100 एमसीक्यू वीडियो भल लगी वीडियो को लाइक करिवो चैनल को नथिले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवो यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबो जार लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि।